Hello, thank you for watching my video on Carnival Sunrise. I hope you enjoy. As you can see here, this is our room with our folio number, our cards on there. You open up the envelope and then you enter. This room is the balcony stateroom. So y'all here, we are on the cruise, Carnival Sunrise, deck 6. This is my room tour. Of course, there's Coco to greet. Our bathroom. Let's make it wider. Oh, you get away from there. Nasty sucio. So, I'm in the shower. I got plenty of space. Uh-oh, Coco. Coco, you can fit in here with me. So this shower is bigger than the one that we had before. Of course, we got places for things. It looks like they don't really do too much anymore on the boat. We have plenty of closet space. It looks like this one has the life jackets in it. Let's see. It's like 4 life jackets in there. It's got plenty of shelf space. We haven't gotten our luggage yet, so we won't be, you won't see that quite yet. Only thing I have in there is that backpack. This is for the bunk bed, which is actually up there. We'll get to that. Coco, you want to go in the closet? Then this one has hangers and a safe for everything you need. Now, this is the room. Yes, you may see things in the room and you say, oh, water, but these cost. If you drink them, it's $3.95 that you'll see on your final bill. It's a lot of changes that happened with this cruise. They gave us 3 towels. We have a couch here. I don't know if it's a pull-out. I think it is. I think it might be a pull-out. No, it's not. But I slept on it before because in our one room we had a twin size bed, but we have a large bed here. I think it's king size, or I think it may be queen size. It looks small. Big window. This is our first time having a balcony. As you can see, we have not left yet. We're still at the port. We're still at the port. We have 2 chairs out here. And you can see the bridge of Miami. Woohoo! Welcome to Miami. Bienvenido a Miami. Here she comes. It's loud out there, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. But, y'all, this is our room. Plenty of drawer space, which I don't think we probably would even be using. We might. Go. You like it? You like the room? Go. Go. I guess that's an inside table or something.
Yeah, I didn't see no fridge or something.
No.
This
is a safe? This is a refrigerator.
Oh, it is? Turn it itself. Oh, okay, we good.
It's hot.
Oh, it's a safe in the closet?
This isn't cold. Let's see here. I don't know. Whatever. Whew, I need to take these shoes off. I don't know when they're gonna bring our luggage. But, so that's our room tour. It's short, sweet, to the point type of thing, right? So it looks like I only made a 4-minute video on that. That's cool, whatever. But let's get into the whole boarding process, which almost had me about to get upset. So, as you can see, they have pools on board. There was like, I think maybe 2 pools plus 2 slides. They have a game park that, oh, as you see, jacuzzi. We had to test that out. When you go all the way up to deck 10 or 11, I believe it's deck 10, you can see the area where you can walk. You can kind of climb across like a stunt thing, and then they have like games pool, as you can see, a basketball court. They have weights that you can lift. They had a whole lot of stuff. You can definitely have fun and exercise on this thing. You see they got a track up here. It goes all the way around the top of the ship. Right here they have a golf course. This is mini golf. Mi familia. Oh, there you got a pup. We're about to teach Coco how to golf. gotta get a picture and zoom in on her necklace. It looks so cute on that dress.
Yeah, bring it in.
Girl, stop acting like me with that face.
You Mamita. It's a video.
Oh.